now that we have gathered all the data and we have all the elements for us to query it, each of those pillars are weighted, and the weight are decided based on the perceived risk, based on research that we've carried, and it's dependent on the impact, meaning that most hacks and protocol failure happen in the smart contract or in the decentralization. Liquidity risk could be one aspect as well that could be bumped up, for example, but this is carried and mitigated in the next step of our risk assessment framework, which is directly happening at the strategy level. So what I've presented here is pretty much what we call in traditional finance the due diligence process. And then after the due diligence, the information that we gather, so in this case, if the protocol is earning a pass, which is any protocol that earns a score below the medium high risk, we basically input the score into our strategy factory. We provide a fund allocation guideline for the different risk score, and then I will create alerts for monitoring. If it's not passing, we just keep it in the database and then update it on a regular basis. And if it passed, then we go into the process again. So that's how Coinchange is effectively able to do the risk assessment process and then pass this risk insight into our asset management team.